What is going on, everybody? It's your boy DJ. I'm back at it again tonight. It is episode number 8, ladies and gentlemen, of PC Building Simulator Part 2. Tonight we are going to finish what we left off in episode 7. We are going to finish the PC build that we started to build for a partner, possibly, or a possible partner. Hopefully we don't go over on our limit, but we are waiting on some fans to come in, so we're going to go ahead and end the day. And before we get started, I need to let y'all know I have decided to cut my videos down to 30 minutes long instead of, or 30 minutes or so long instead of an hour. That way it gives, gives y'all something to watch and everything, but it don't get boring or get repetitive. So that being said, the music you're listening to is provided by Slipstream. Go over there, get you an account and everything to where you can have some music copyright free. I believe one of the sponsors for it is T-Pain. He does some good music on here as well. Well, now, that being said, episode number 8, let's get started and let's go now. We got to end the day. We got to get our fans, because we had to order 3 fans at the end of the last episode. So, for the case, because we got everything else, we just had to have the 3 fans. So now let's see if we can't get some stuff installed here. First thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and install the motherboard. Alright. We did get our power-ups, by the way. I need to open up the CPU thing because we need to install the CPU. Alright, CPU's in. Okay, and before we put the cooler on it, we need to go ahead and get our compound. I'm just making sure there's enough. Alright. And then we need to install the... okay, what's going on here? The CPU cooling right here. Go ahead and get the Arctic installed. Go ahead and install the RAM. The memory here. I am going to... Oh, I didn't get a storage drive. Now, I guess I'll have to bite the bullet and get a storage drive here real quick. Let me see my inventory, see what I've got here. Let's see what I've got as far as storage. I have nothing as far as storage. So, what we need to do... Go back here to case storage. No PC cases in there. Well, now that it. Alright, so I guess we're going to have to get a drive. Ladies and gentlemen, I reckon we're going to get a... I don't know. Because they got... The SSDs in this game is so expensive. And I do not know why. But they're expensive. So I guess we'll just go with a regular hard drive. We'll go with a 1 terabyte, I guess. Actually, we'll go with a 500. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. We're definitely going to be over on the budget, but shouldn't be by much. Okay, storage. Alright, storage is in. Power supply. Okay. Then we're going to run the graphics card. Hang on. Okay. Then we need to install the case fans. What am I missing? I'm missing something. What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm missing something. Okay. Give it a moment, let it boot. Make sure it's going to run it. It's got to run this certain software. And I think it's Procast. I believe it's got, yeah, Procrastinate 8. Recommended. Boom. Got it all. Every bit of it. Nice. Shut down. Let's install the side panel. Okay. Resale value is 650, so I didn't miss it by much. Let's go ahead and see if he takes it. Because I don't think I missed it by much. Collect $600. Total spent $650. Boom, 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 boom. Collect. Total $970. Look at there. I got the money out of it. Nice. Okay. We did it. Alright, so we got that one. Delete. Delete. PC Building Simulator leveled up. Congratulations. Hot dang, I've unlocked all kinds of crap. I've unlocked the Be Quiet Pure Base. Nice. When I see that 500 FX, then yeah, boy. And a lot of ADATA, a lot of thermal tech. Delete. All right, so we've unlocked a lot of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and accept this one. We're going to. It says, "Hello, are you there? Do I wait for a reply? I have no idea how to use this." I'll just type it here. My son Dylan. Do you know him? Well, he's gone on the holidays with his mates. I went into his room and my goodness, it was a mess. His computer looks like it's been kicked around the street too. So I thought while he was away, I would clean up his room, splash a bit of paint here and there, and clean up his computer. Can you spray the case black so it looks shiny and new? Just plain black, and put a big heart sticker on the front so he knows it's from his mom. A nice heart emoji. Please, not just any heart. I hope that's possible. I'm sure he'll love it. Thank you. Send it, send it. Oh, I probably need to click that button. Okay, that's like the best email that I've seen in a while. Okay, yeah, we'll accept that. They're in transit, ladies and gentlemen. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and call the day there. And we will get at it. We are level 10, by the way. Alright, let's see what we can get done here. This one's customized. Let's take it over to customizing. Let's get our diagnose. Diagnose and fix. It ain't doing nothing. That's all it does. Lights flash. Fans turn. No video. Well, there's no video, so obviously I'm thinking it's got to be that graphics card. Is what I'm thinking. We'll find out. Here, I've got a backup graphics card just for craps and giggles, just to be able to see. Yeah, that's actually what it is. It's an RX 578 gig. It's actually broken. Oh my god. So we need an Asus ROG Strix Radeon RX 570. Okay, continue shopping. Let's go here. Let's go to graphics card. We need an RX. Okay. Was it a RX 578 gig? Okay, so that's 570. We need chipset. RX 570. 8 gig. It's this one. Boom. Done. Pretty sure it's the issue. But find out, ain't we? There you go. I did diagnose the problem. Why does it say objective 1 of 2? Huh? I've already diagnosed the issue. Duh. I think I just did that, didn't I? Need that one. Need that one. Got that, got that, got that, got that. Everything's good there. Everything's good there. Okay, it's still saying diagnose and fix. Find out, say. Can't believe my PC broke. I'm sure someone like you can work out. I think something up with my RAM. Making a funny noise. Maybe you can replace it. Then the screen is all garbled. Things keep crashing. The warranty of the graphics card just expired, so it's probably that. Laugh out loud. I'll worry about used parts so I don't put any of those in, please. My kid's been using it and I'm getting some weird pop-ups too. Alright, I've already done all that. Okay, let's check out the RAM here. It is faulty. It's 3200 megahertz thermal take memory. Alright, we need to go to brand. We need to go down here to thermal take. We need 3200. Was that 3200 8 gig? Yes. $3,200. There's 32 gig. 3,000. Here's that 3,216. 3,208. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Okay. Install the side panel, and we are golden on this one. Collect. Trying to delete these real quick. Okay, I need to paint the case black and apply a sticker. That's this one. Okay, what the crap? This kid's gonna be pissed. I ain't kidding. This kid is going to be pissed. Because his mom done went and painted a case. Apply a sticker. Okay. Oh, Jesus. This kid's gonna be mad. Left control. This kid's gonna be ill. I ain't kidding. Okay. New parts. Okay. Water cooled GPU. That's gonna be that's gonna be interesting. Let me check something, guys. Let me check to see if my sales. Everything's good. Okay. We're up to $4,600. Let's go ahead and buy a couple of cases here. Go ahead and buy that one. Continue shopping. Go ahead and get that one. Notice I'm not getting the ones that's got a lot of stuff wrong with it. I don't want those. I don't want the ones that's got a lot of stuff wrong with them. Okay. And then I guess we will go ahead and we will accept the water-cooled GPU. Okay. Okay, and then we'll do this one too. Accept that one as well. We'll leave all these. Alright, so. Alright, guys. So here's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and call it for the day. We got to pay rent tomorrow. So we got to pay rent when we go back in. So we will. Oh boy. Okay. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do that water-cooled GPU first. Actually, we need to pull up our email here. We need to see which one's which here. Install orange, black, and green custom cable set. Water-cooled GPU, go to PC. Gotta let it fill up here. That's it. That's all we need to do. And we will call this episode right there. We'll go ahead and collect on the water cool. There we go. 750 total. Boom, boom. We'll go ahead and delete that one. New bits and parts. Delete. All right. So we got some stuff to work on for next episode. Okay. We definitely got stuff. So we got to do this. All right. So we'll accept that one. We'll go ahead and get this one. We'll accept those two. That way they'll be here whenever we get ready for the next one. We've got 2 PCs we got to work on as far as to sell. So we've got that rocking and rolling. We've got $4,000 to work with. And guys, let me go ahead and pay rent. Okay, how do I pay rent? Huh? How do I pay rent? Oh. That's for the next episode, guys. So, that being said, we're going to end the day. Guys, the next episode's going to be fun. I promise you that. And with that being said, this is DJ's Tech Up. PC Building Simulator Part 2. Episode number 80. Sub, like, and share. If you got any comments about it, then let me know how I'm doing, or if you want me to build a PC for you, just see what kind of money we can make. Drop your comments below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you want me to buy and stuff like that. So that being said, until next time, guys, I'm your boy DJ. Y'all stay sexy. I'm out.